The Sakrete Pro Mix concrete repair line consists of two products that allow you to tackle any problem on your job site, whether horizontal, vertical, or overhead. Today, we're going to demonstrate Pro Mix concrete repair. So in today's simulation, this is a support column with exposed rebar, and we're going to patch it and make it whole. Let's start with how to mix. It's a 4-to-1, 1 part water to 4 parts powder. See how that is? That's about where we want to be, a glistening snowball. For the purpose of this repair, we're going to go about 3/4 up so that you can see it does hold on the inside. We've pressed the materials against the inside behind the rebar, and we want to do that to ensure a good bond. It's heavily latex modified, so the bonding agent is there along with the special blends of cements. At this point, we need to stop and let it tighten for about 5 minutes, and we'll start adding more material. We're going to continue pressing in another layer, and then we'll add a top coat where I can finish trowel it good and smooth to make a complete repair look great. Just remember, this is a 1/4 inch to 6 inch material, not a feather edge. So what that means is I'm going to keep my repair inside the concrete. The troweling is just for aesthetics, to bring it to the same texture as the column. Last touch was hit it with a broom, made the column look like the rest, and now on to the next job.